Hey guys, it's Marco from Nari Media, and today I'm going to show you some really cool features of Gemini. I'll show you some tips and tricks that takes it to that next level, and let's get into it right now. If you haven't done it yet, you want to go to your settings tab and you want to go to your apps. Now under apps, this is where you can bring everything together. This is how you get the power of Gemini. You can connect straight to GitHub. You can attach to all your Google Workspace. There's Google Travel, Flights, Maps. You can attach to Google Media, YouTube. So check this out. Now I'm gonna ask, so all you have to do is hit the @ sign. Once you connect those, this is all through the Google infrastructure, so it's all secure, it's all safe. Type @Google Calendar. Now I said, what appointments do I have tomorrow? It is linked to my Google Calendar. I could have said, Friday, June 27th, but I'm just asking it to show you that now before they're saying, oh, what day is it? And the large language models wouldn't know. Look at that. So you can see all the things in my calendar, and I can say, watch this. I'm going to add something. Hey, Gemini, can you fit in, I have another half-hour meeting. What do you recommend? I need to slide that into my schedule tomorrow. And can you make the best recommendation based off what's going on? And preferably in the morning, quick half-hour meeting call, please schedule and update my calendar. Is I'm saying, hey, just based off my calendar, use your intelligence to auto slide in another meeting. I have a half-hour meeting. I kind of want to do it in the morning, like a strategy call. So you can look at my calendar here. It's going to look at the calendar. It's going to think. Look at that. Bang. It just scheduled it in. It just put it in. I've scheduled a meeting for you at 9 a.m. So now when I look up here, perfect. It fits in. I had a free half hour between 9 and 9:30. And it popped it in. So there, now that's in my Google Calendar. We can go over to the calendar and see that it's updated with my new 9 a.m. meeting. Also hooked up to tasks. So if you're using tasks in the Google world to help you stay on track, check this out. Same thing. Now I'm asking what tasks I have for tomorrow. And because it's all connected, and you can add tasks from here. So if you're in the middle of a workflow and you're like, oh shoot, yeah, can you just add that, Gemini, without having to open Windows? So the beauty of this is when you're in a flow state of work, it's not gonna disrupt you to like close a window, open a window. There we go, send out weekly report on Meta ads. Bang, that's in there at 10 a.m. And it shows the source. So if you click on the source, it's gonna take you to the actual task. So another really cool thing. All right, now the Google Drive. If you have anything in your Google Drive, all your documents in your Google Drive, if you're well organized and have files, and you're like, I just need this document quick, just say, hey, can you reference my Google optimization sheet? And it said, oh, look, it found my optimization checklist and it's summarizing the key takeaways. So it's gonna grab from your documents. And then it even shows here the sources. It found it from April 23, 2025. And that's the beauty of it. And then it goes through all the summaries and your Gmail. The next cool thing is, let's say you have your email box is a mess and you're like, oh, I was writing that email. I'm in the workflow. I don't want to go open a window and look in drafts. Just say, hey, and you can even chat with it too. But hey, at Gmail, can you see if I have any unfinished drafts about Google Ads? And now this is really cool. And the reason why this is really cool is with Gemini, as they get more linking. Oh, look, here we go. Yes, I found one unfinished draft. You can see Google Ads keywords update, the content, and then it's going to link to the source. If I click the source, it's going to actually take me to that email. So it takes you right into Gmail. The next thing, let's say I want to summarize everything here and I want to send it in an email. So, hey, Gemini, can you please help me summarize everything we chatted about in here, about all the new connections and links to Gmail, calendar, events, tasks, Google Drive, and draft an email and send it through Gmail, please. Can't actually send through Gemini yet because it said there's security issues, which I don't really understand because it is still under the Gmail infrastructure. So what it does is it's going to draft it for me, and it's going to it'll show up in my drafts. So check this out. And it can't send directly, but you can also open this in Canvas. I'll say, right. And sometimes you have to ask it to draft your email in Canvas, which is this little link. And Canvas is just the side box that opens up. It's good for long text and code. So it kind of just edits in the same document. And you can export this to Google Doc as well. If you wanted it in a PDF, you can share it here. But now all you got to do is go here, click, and bang, just like that, it's in your Gmail. So that is time saving because it is just making it easier. I hope you guys like these tips and tricks. There's a lot more I could dive into. Hope you like and subscribe, and I'll keep you updated as updates come and as this gets smoother and smoother. So thanks so much for watching.